Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video on our channel, and in this video we are going to see regarding the Take Mahindra hirings, questions and solutions. So as you all know, Take Mahindra have been doing hirings so in different phases from different days now, but in this video we are going to discuss not regarding the Take Mahindra normal hiring questions. This is going to be Take Mahindra SUPERCODER hiring questions. So even if you are preparing for Take Mahindra normal hiring questions, you can still see this because this type of questions will be both in normal hiring and SUPERCODER hiring, because aptitude round is in both the cases. Okay, but super quarter questions are a bit tougher than the normal hiring, so you can expect a bit easier questions if you are doing for the 3.5 lpa package, but for the 5.5 lpa this is the question level. So let's see the questions and their solutions. First of all, there are three sections. So first section is going to be English. Okay, so I have made a detailed exam pattern related video. I will give that video's link in the description. This video will be solely based on the questions and solutions. So first of all, we have a question from English. They're asking to detect the error of the sentence. Sentence is: Dean was senior to Sam in college. So in this sentence there was I did not find any error, so this is going to be no error. Okay, if you find any error, that is going to be your answer, because after senior generally there is a to preposition that is used. Okay, so this is correct. Next question is: complete the given sentence with the option that fits best. So the question is: even if it rains, I shall come. What does this mean? Okay, the question sentence is: even if it rains, I shall come. So see, he will come even if it rains or it does not rain, it does not matter. So that is the third option: I will come whether it rains or not. So he will come, yeah, it rains or it does not rain, it does not going to matter. So that's it. Correct answer is this. And the third question you can see is: among the four alternative provided, select the one that can be used as a substitute to the following phrase. What is the phrase? The phrase you can see: a list of business matters or subjects to be discussed in a meeting. So subjects or topics that are going to be discussed in a meeting, we call them as agendas. Okay, agendas of the meeting, like that. So this is going to be the answer, agenda. Next question is going to be same from English. Again it is asking for error detection. So which part will have the error? Okay, so question is: even if the teacher has completed the course, the students cannot pass it unless they study themselves. So this is going to be the error, because this themselves word is wrong. Okay, the word is themselves, because them is like plural noun, so themselves it will be. Okay, not self, it will be selves. So this part will have error unless they study themselves. Next question is: please read the parts of the sentence given below and choose the incorrect option. Which option is incorrect? The question is: the invigilator who was deployed in the college did nothing to stop the cheating. Okay, there are three parts, A, B and C. If you find error in any of the parts, mark that. If there is no error, then mark D. The next question is going to be: how many zeros are there at the end of n factorial? So the question is not like how many zeros are there. The question is, there are two sentences or two clues given. So can you find the answer using only one clue, or can you find the answer using both the clues, or you cannot find the answer even if you are using both of them clues? This is the question. Okay, so the next question is going to be for again from a reasoning part or critical reasoning type questions. So there is a pattern given: 22, 21, 23, 22, like that. What number will come in that last part? So let's see the solution. So 22, 21, 23, 22, 24, 23, like that the pattern is. So first from 22 to 21 it is we are getting 21 from 22 by subtracting 1. Then we are adding 2 with the 21, then we are getting 23. Again we are subtracting 1, you can see here we are getting 22. Again we are adding 2, we are getting 24. Okay, again we will subtract minus 1. Okay, 24 minus 1, we will get 23. Then after that we will add 2 to the 23, we will get 25 as our answer. Okay, so 25 will be our answer. That is the answer. Okay, so that's it. And next question is: if the word is mercy is encoded as NVIXB, how would you write the word pretty? So this is going to be a pattern. So whenever you are seeing these type of word related functions or word related questions, or like there is some alphabets given, you have to convert it to some different code or something, try finding the logic using their position values, like A is position 1, B is position 2, C is position 3, like that. Okay, so I have, this is the question, and what will come here. Okay, this is the question that are asking. So I have tried to convert these values into numbers. Okay, so M is the 13th position, E is the 5th position, R is the 18th position, like that I have written all the alphabets positional values. Now let's see the pattern. So 13 plus 14 is 27. Okay, similarly 5 plus 22 is 27, 18 plus 9 is 27, 3 plus 24 is 27, 25 plus 2 is also 27. This is the pattern we are getting. Okay, so both of the letters if we add the positional values of both the alphabets of the same position, we will get 27. Similarly here Preeti, I have converted Preeti into its alphabetical values, that is going to be 16, 18, 9, 29. So what is the numbers we are going to get? So if it is 16 and the sum will be 27, so the first value will be 11. Okay, and if it is 18, the sum will be 27, the second value will be 9. Similarly if it is 9, then the value will be 18. Again if it is 20, the value will be 7, and if the value is 9, then the sum will be 27, so the value will be 18. Okay, this is going to be the answers of the position value. Now we will just convert these positional values into the letters. So 11 will be K, okay, 9 will be I, 18 will be R, 7 will be G, and 18 will be R again. So KIRGR will be the answer. So KIRGR, this is the answer. Okay, I hope you understand this. There is a similar type of questions you can see here. Okay, so ABM's value is given as P. So what will be the value of CAT? This is the question. ABM is P, then what is CAT? So A's positional value is 1, B's positional value is 2, and M's positional value is 13. Now we will get their sum. Okay, so we will add those. So what will be the answer? 16. So 16 is the positional value of alphabet P. That's why the answer is P. Okay, you got the logic. Now similarly C's positional value is 3, A is 1, and T is 20. So now we will again add this also. So it will become 24. So 24 is the positional value of the alphabet X. Okay, so now X will be the answer. Now we have again another pattern type question. So numbers are given as 119, 220, 323, like that. Okay, there is a gap after that, and then there is the 535 is the last number. So first from 100 to 220 we have to add 101. Then again we have to add 103 to get the 323. Again then we have, if we add 105 we will get 428, and then if we add 107 we will get 535. Okay, so this pattern is getting matched. So 428 going to be your answer. Okay, because 428 will become here, we're adding 105 here. So that's it, and let's check the mathematical questions now. The quants question, the question is what is the average of all the prime numbers between 10 and 20? So the prime numbers between 10 and 20 will be 11, 13, 17, and 19, because 15 is not a prime number, it is 3 multiplied by 5, you all know. So the sum of them will be 60. Okay, and there are 4 prime numbers, so average will be 60 divided by 4, 15. Okay, the next question is Kamal's pay is determined by the number of hours he works each month. Okay, Kamal is a person, his payment is determined by how many hours he is working each month. Okay, and there is a hourly rate. So number of hours worked multiplied by hourly rate is going to be his payment. So now what is happening? So first we have taken that hours is x and hourly rate is y. So total amount he is going to get paid is going to be hours into hourly rate, that is going to be x into y. Okay, this is his income. But now there is a change. So new part will be the change what is happening. Okay, so the change is saying that its hourly rate was increased by 25%. So hourly rate was y, and now it is increased by 25%. So now it is 125y by 100, you can say, and we can 120, it was actually increased by 25%, so it will be 125y by 100. Okay, so we can, if we just divide it by 25, it will be 5y by 4. Okay, it will be 5y by 4. And similarly the number of hours he worked is decreased by 20%. So number of hours he worked was x, and now it is decreased by 20%, so it has become 80x by 100. Okay, it has become 80x by 100. So we divide by 20, it will be 4x by 5. Okay, if we divide both side by 20, it will be 4x by 5. So now total income will be multiplied of the new hours into new hourly rate. So it will be 4x by 5 multiplied by 5y by 4, and again this 5 will get eliminated, and 4 also will get eliminated. So the answer will be again xy. So see, first also the income was xy, and now also the income is xy. So income is no change in income, so it will be nil, it will be answer. Next question is, there is a class, there are 12 students and one student's weight is 67 kg left of the class. Okay, so now 11 students are there, and their weight is total weight is decreased by 67 kg. One more new student named Vakil comes, and the weight of the average weight of the whole class again increased by 0.25 kg. So what is the age of the Vakil? First we have to calculate that. So first of all, there were 12 students. Let's assume that their average age was x. So their average age, total age will become 12x. Now a student of 67 kg leaves, so their total age will become 12x minus 67. Now Vakil comes, and Vakil's age is, let's assume it is y. So the total age will become 12x minus 67 plus y. Okay. Similarly, there is another way of calculating total age now, because they have mentioned that there is an increase of 0.25 kg in the average age. So average age we have assumed that it was x. So now it is increased by 0.25. So a new average age is x plus 0.25, and it is multiplied by 12. So we get the total weight. Weight. Okay, I'm saying age. I don't know why, because it is weight. Okay. So now the total age will be 12x plus 12 into 0.25 is 3. Okay, so 12x plus 3. So 12x minus 67 plus y equals to 12x plus 3. 12x will get cancelled, and y is going to be 70. Okay, y is 70. And here they have mentioned that they are going to represent this as xy. So x, what is the sum of x and y? So the x, if 70 equals to xy, then x is 7, 0 is y, so the sum will be 0 plus 7, that is 7. Okay, that is the answer. Next, there is one more question you can see here. Rajat is a renowned media personality. It conducting interviews. Okay, there are three Hollywood stars basically: Leonardo, Smith, and Cooper. I have just written L, S, and C. Okay, what is the question? That he discloses that for every two movies Leonardo does, Smith does three. Okay, so if Leonardo is signing two movies, Smith signing three movies. Okay, and so I'm just taking their ratio. And also one more thing, they have said that if Leonardo signs one movie, then Cooper signs four. So Leonardo, if for every Leonardo movie there is four Cooper's movie, but Leonardo has how many movies here? Two. So there will be eight Cooper's movies. Okay, for two Leonardo movies there will be eight Cooper movies. It is understood. Okay, now what is the question? If Leonardo has signed 40 movies, then total number of movies signed by all three. So Leonardo have signed 40, that is mentioned. Now we need to calculate the total. For that, let's calculate their individual movies first. So for two Leonardo movies, there are three Smith movies. So then for 40 Leonardo movies, there are 60 Smith movies, because for two Leonardo there will be three Smith movies. For one Leonardo movie, there will be 1.5 Smith movies. For 40 Leonardo movies, there will be 40 into 1.5, that is 60 Smith movies. Okay. Similarly, for each Leonardo movie, there are basically you can say that for two Leonardo movies there are 8 Cooper movies. For one Leonardo movie there are 4 Cooper movies. For 40 Leonardo movie there will be 4 into 40, 160 Cooper movies. So the total number of movies will be 260. Okay, that is the answer. So that's it. If you have any queries regarding any of these questions, you can comment down.